Hi everybody, this is Buffin the Tube. Another day, another review. Today I want to review you the famous Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. It's a Chinese phone, but Chinese phones are now overtaking most of other phones because they are good quality as well as they are cheap. And I bought this phone from GearBest. Is a website that they ship directly from China, so you don't pay the middleman. In this video, I will open this box, set up the phone for the first time. I will wait, I would size it, and I will talk through the specification. I might play a game just to see the performance of this, as to see how quickly it becomes hot when you're playing with the phone. And also I will take a few pictures from the front and from the back of the camera. Let's go ahead and start the process. So when you buy it comes kind of a sliding nice package, so you just lift it, it opens, then you take out the top bit. It's all nice and heavy here. So this is the phone inside that box, and carefully we take it out, and here is the phone. Feels nice in my hand, heavy. It got a heavy battery, which is good because it lasts longer. Other things inside the box: some paper, user manual by Xiaomi Redmi. If you want to read that. There is a warranty card, and guess what? They got actually with the phone in the box a case to put it on and to put an extra security for its against falling and shocks. So it's quite clever. I didn't see this from any other phones. You got a European plug, as you can see, and a standard USB charger. Let me see what type it is. So this is the head of the charger, and we empty the box. Now I'm gonna set up the phone for the first time, and then I will go through a bit more in detail about this performance. 64 megapixels ultra high resolution camera in the back, quad camera with ultra wide and microphone lenses, 6.53 inch FHD plus dot drop display, which is coming with Gorilla Glass 5 front and rear, high performance Helio G9T, and very heavy battery, 4500 milliamp hour, high capacity battery, and 18-watt fast charger. Here it is, Redmi Note 8 Pro by Xiaomi. This is the back of the phone. Looks nice, like it. You can take this out by removing it like that. Once you put the cable in, that light turns on, and then if you press right hand side the power button and hold it for a few seconds, it should turn on. First, when you start, it already has some battery in it. Funny thing is that when it's sitting on the desk, it's not flat, because on the back side you can see it's a bit protruding outward. Language, text size, let's select the language, region, terms and conditions. You need to accept that as well. Asking to insert a SIM card. I don't want to do that now. Asking for location. For now, I don't want that location. Accept. You can set fingerprint. Skip this for now. I don't like personalized ads. Automatically system update, I like that. Choose the theme, like the classic, to stay as that. Setup is complete, press that. Now it's loading apps. Here it is, it's turned on. Just checking its screen size diagonally, and you can see it is 6.4 inches diagonally. It's quite a nice size screen. So it's now time to wait. I put the camera on the weighing machine, and you can see it's just 220 grams. Loving. I mean, it is heavy for a smartphone, but it's not too heavy, and the quality is really good. I'm enjoying it. And here I got this phone specification. You can see here it's a 6 GB RAM. That's a high RAM for a smartphone. It got a octa-core max 2.05 gigahertz CPU, and it got 64 GB storage. So it's quite a high quality product. I really like the way it looks. The apps, they are clear. It got even my favorite browser, which is Opera. I'm loving it, guys. So let's go and try some of the games. Crazy Juicer, let's see how that works. So this is one of the games that it has. So let's try another game. It's sliding my hands. I'm holding the camera with another, so it's hard for me. But you get the gist of this. It's kind of good graphic. The thing doesn't get hot. I'm getting more and more powerful. Well, you get a gist of the game and the quality of this thing. So you go bring this up and press back. Yes, I want to quit. And now let's try the camera. So you can see the camera is quite good. So now I will be taking a selfie. Let's see how it works. Fantastic quality, guys. The clarity of the front camera is exceptional. It's better than my Sony phone. I'm really glad of the quality of this front camera. Now let's try the back camera. So this is the back camera image that I just took. Look at the quality. I can just zoom in, and it goes in such a detail. It's just fantastic, guys. I love the camera quality. So there is not much thing not to like about this phone. I think it's the hero of my day. It's one of the best phones that I ever had. It got everything you need. It got all the apps that you need. It's Android, guys. Android means most apps, and the security is good. And I mean, yeah. And you can find in the market for around $392, as you can see here from this website called Gear Best. If you shop around, you could find it cheaper than that, and it's really, I recommend this phone for you guys as a high quality cheap phone. It's not extraordinarily cheap, but compared to the quality you get, it's really a cheap phone. A view of the back side of the phone, you can see how many cameras it got. It got around 4 cameras in the back. That's why the quality is so good, so detailed. And it's just amazing that you could put so many technologies, so much power, so much RAM, so much CPU, so much good quality camera, all in just one smartphone. I totally recommend this phone, and if you have any questions, put that in the comments below and I would be happy to answer them. Hello, who's this? This is Boop in the Tube. Welcome to my channel.